Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Settings and navigating to Personalization, then Lock Screen. Set background to Windows Spotlight so the service can pick images. Make sure you are signed into your Microsoft account because Spotlight stores preferences and syncs suggestions. If you prefer, toggle Get Fun Facts, Tips, and More on to allow contextual images. Once done, lock the PC or press Windows plus L to see the current Spotlight wallpaper, and confirm it's active before proceeding to customize. Next, you'll access Spotlight's cached images. Open File Explorer, enable hidden items, then go to the Content Delivery Manager Assets folder in your user app data path. Copy the files out to a new folder and rename them with JPG extensions so you can preview each image. If you want a specific image as your desktop background, choose the one you like and move it to Pictures. Make sure to keep originals if you want to restore later. This step extracts images for manual use or replacement. Finally, set your chosen image as the desktop background by right-clicking the JPG and selecting Set as Desktop Background. This makes Spotlight images available outside the lock screen. If Spotlight stops updating or images disappear, reset the Content Delivery Manager package via PowerShell or delete the local assets to force redownload. Restart the PC and re-enable Windows Spotlight in Settings. Then sign back into your Microsoft account to restore sync. One key troubleshooting tip: always test after a restart to confirm changes took effect.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.